Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into Samsung's latest budget marvel, the Galaxy A55. This phone promises a lot at an affordable price point, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the design. Samsung has really nailed it with a sleek and modern look. The A55 features a flat sides design reminiscent of its pricier siblings, the S series. It feels surprisingly premium with its metal sides and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front and back. Plus, it's IP67 rated for dust and water resistance, which is a great addition for durability. Moving on to the display, we've got a 6.6-inch FHD AMOLED panel here. It's vibrant and sharp, perfect for media consumption and gaming. What's impressive is the adaptive refresh rate that switches between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. Ensuring smooth scrolling and gaming when you need it. Now, let's talk cameras. The Galaxy A55 sports a versatile setup with a 50 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultrawide, and a 5 megapixels macro lens. It captures vivid colors and details well in good lighting conditions. The selfie camera, a 32 megapixel shooter, is decent for your social media needs. Performance-wise, the Galaxy A55 runs on Samsung's Exynos 1480 chipset paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, depending on the variant. While it handles everyday tasks smoothly, it falls a bit short in intensive gaming compared to its competitors with older flagship chips. Battery life is where the A55 shines, thanks to its hefty 5000 mAh battery. It easily lasts through a full day of heavy use, and when it's time to recharge. The 25W fast charging support gets you back up to speed quickly. On the software side, it runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1. It's clean, responsive, and comes with Samsung's promise of 4 years of updates, which is impressive for a budget-friendly device. One standout feature is Knox Vault, a secure enclave for sensitive data like passwords, ensuring your personal information stays safe. So, should you consider the Samsung Galaxy A55? Absolutely. It's a well-rounded package offering a beautiful display, strong cameras, and excellent battery life at an affordable price. While its performance might not top the charts, it's still a solid choice for anyone looking to get the most out of their budget. That wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy A55. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.